I've made it transparent.
Uncle.
Please hold on a minute,
Uncle, I just saw one plate of fried rice, turkey, and salad on the dining table. Uncle, please, can I eat it?
No, it's for the dog. Hello?
Uncle. Uncle, good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Uncle, I just saw one bread, that big one, with geisha, and one cool percy inside. Uncle, I don't know if I can eat it.
No, it's for the dog.
Yeah! It is what it is. It is what it is.
Think about your life. You are a failure. You are a failure. You can never make it.